what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. Yeah, about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
So, what is going on, guys? Today I am back. It's been a while, I know, but I've been very busy decorating, making this more of a working space. I'm going to give you guys a little tour, nothing too crazy. So here we go. So the purple car, we'll talk about that later. Friend's bike, Nathan's little pit bike, another friend's bike, my cousin's little pit bike, then the drift car that is semi being worked on because I stole parts of it, the friend's bike, then my cousin's bike, parts, then another bike of my cousin, my other cousin's bike, then more stuff, oil and stuff. Yes, this is dirty, I know, it's not my working space. Then another bike, and then another bike, and then an old V8 and a mess that I'm cleaning up. And then the 2-liter, if you guys remember, that was originally going into the purple drift car. And then we have some parts that are for sale, so if you want something here, it's all around 30 euros for everything. Well, not for everything, but each thing is about 30 euros, so hit me up. The old doors, an exhaust that I'm going to make. By the way, Enrique, if you're watching this, I know I still have to give you 20 euros for this. Then wheels, nothing too fancy actually. And then what you guys have not seen yet, I'm sorry, this is a mess too, but I'm still cleaning up here. And I'm kind of bored and I'm cold, so I'm going to show you. For the people who have been following this build for almost a year now, know probably which engine this is. If you haven't noticed it yet. Yes, so this is a M50 B25 engine. I bought it from a friend last month, and it's pretty much disassembled, but we ran into a big problem. And if I take out this piston, put it aside, as you guys can see, this is a ridge, and this shouldn't be there. So the block has to be bored out, which is a big bummer because that will add a big cost to the build. Now I am considering of buying a 2-liter block and boring and honing that block so I can reuse the original pistons, because if I bore the 2.5, there will have to be bigger pistons in it, and it will cost about like 2,000 euros. And I don't want to spend that money right now, so that's a big bummer. But on the bright side, it's a very clean engine, except for the block. That is not the best, but I'll figure something out. And I am going to fully redo the engine. The only parts that aren't going to be original is the head gasket and the head studs, and that is pretty much about it for that. Then I'm going to show you underneath here. So this has been primed, and there is an epoxy layer on it. And I'm kind of scared because I have zero experience with paint, and I'm kind of scared that the paint is going to fuck with the epoxy. So if anyone knows anything about paint, please hit me up and help me, because I'm scared. I don't want to paint it. I kind of want to do, but I don't want to. And I don't know if you guys, if I already showed you this, but I did this. Oh god, oh no. Oh no! Oh, I made big scratches. I don't care. I don't know if I've shown you guys this, but I redid the seals too with silicone and a brush, and that came out pretty cool. I cleaned and fixed like a steering rack, put new tie rods on there. I know it's messy under here. I'm trying to hide all my mess. So I have a pretty good steering rack, and I'm trying to make a pretty subframe. So then we can assemble the front suspension, because I'm going to run KW suspension on this car. So the front suspension will be done once the engine bay has been painted. And once the engine bay has been painted and the suspension's done, I can focus more on the engine and blah 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 and blah blah blah. So it'll probably be like another year until the engine runs. Because holy shit, building a car costs a lot of money. So that's why I haven't been posting, because, well, let's face it, like, this is ridiculously expensive, and I am 21. Well, so you can imagine that this is not the nicest thing, but we'll figure stuff out. So yeah, that's like a little update video. Nothing too crazy going on. Nathan got a LS for his car, so that will be a whole nother like 15-year build. No, I'm kidding. Should be done in like 5 years ish. And yeah, if you see anything that you like, or that if you need E36 parts, still have a few bits laying around, and that would help me to buy the turbo kit and stuff, because I still haven't bought the turbo kit. Yeah. Anyone has like 5,000 euros, please? No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.